We've got 30 days to bring this barn find back to life. This 1956 Monarch Lucerne two-door hardtop hasn't been on the road in over 20 years. Under the hood, it's packing a 351 Cleveland with a 4-speed top loader. This car has to make a very special cruise, a celebration of life. No pressure, right? So here's the question. After 25 years of sitting, will it run? Let's find out.
Okay, we got the Monarch home, and looks like Carla's ready to open the hoods.
Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. We got her home. 351 Cleveland, and we're gonna get her running. Let's change the oil.
All right, this car has not been on the road in 22 years. So first up, we got to change the oil. So let's have a look and see what the oil looks like. Carla, get in there and drain that sucker.
Oh my God, but it's raining out here. It's miserable, but it's perfect weather for oil change. All right, let's see what we can do here.
Check it out. I don't know, Carla. I think that looks pretty good. You can see your reflection in it.
Can I drink it too? What do you think? Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's pretty bad. I'd say that's pretty rough for 22 years. I'm just glad it all came out.
All right, should we get the oil filter out and keep going here?
Step 2, oil filter. Hold on. Okay, what is that? Hey, what is that?
Carla, new oil filter going in. Looks like a PH88 from Extra Guard.
A PH8. Is that like a PhD?
No, Carla.
Oh, okay.
No.
All right, well, you take care of this one, Graham. He's got longer arms than I do. I got chicken arms. Should we pour some oil?
Where do you put oil in these old engines anyways? In the valve covers?
The valve covers. Who allowed this guy to be here? Anyways, this is cruising with Carla, not cruising with Graham.
We need a funnel.
Oh no, I didn't bring one from
I
home.
got
Do you
one.
have one? Okay.
This isn't oiling with Carla, it's oiling with Graham.
That's a good one.
Because you know, my name's not Carla.
It's not. So we're going to use some of this Lorco Synthetic Blend Motor Oil NW30.
To flush it out.
To just flash it out, yep. And then we'll put some better stuff in there. Still rolling.
It's even your color.
Oh my God, that thing is goddamn tiny. Like, don't you have a bigger one?
That's big enough.
What
Get
is
in there,
this?
Carla.
No way, this is too small.
It's actually perfect for that.
They all think it's much bigger than what it actually is. But I'm telling- Oh, I can barely reach. Is it okay? Graham must have cracked it open for me.
You just pull it out.
Oh, there we go. Sure. I don't know about this, you guys. Alright, let's see. It's gonna take forever. Look at that beautiful new oil. Much cleaner.
It's not 22 years old?
No, not 22 years old. Shake, shake, shake. Don't forget to shake. Woo. Okay, let's close this back up. There we go. I don't even know what is that, a little breather? Okay, that's done. Next step.
Look at the camera.
Lorco, thanks for oiling up my car.
And now it's time for some fresh spark plugs. We squirted each cylinder with a little bit of sea foam to give this engine some lubricant, and we turned it over by hand before we fired it up.
Let's see. What's under the air breather? This carburetor hasn't been touched in 22 years. Okay, time for the handy dandy carb cleaner. Alright, let's see. Here we are. Fire it up and get this puppy off the trailer. You good? Yeah, come just...
Hey lady, need a ride?
Yes, please. Come on, let's go.
Okay, first time driving. Graham gets the honors.
Well, I would have let you drive, but apparently you can't drive stick.
Otherwise, you might not make it up the hill. Oh, come on, come on. Here, I'll get up. Good.
All right, after over 20 years, it's finally running. But getting it running was the easy part. Now we've got to go through the car front to back. Brakes, interior, cooling system. Because right now, it's not safe to drive. And we don't have much time. This car still has a very important cruise to make. So if you want to see if we can actually pull this off, make sure you're subscribed. Because it's about to get interesting. And as always, stay tuned for more of Cruising with
Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.